Hi guys, welcome to another session of the Fitrush. In today's video, we're going to be finding out if you've been doing the plank right or not. In today's video, we will be covering some of the common mistakes that everybody might be doing while performing a plank. Now, the plank is an isometric core strengthening exercise. The way we perform this movement is as similar to that as a push-up, but we hold this movement for as long as possible. Some of the benefits of the plank are as follows. It helps in the strengthening of your shoulder, some parts of your chest, your core and your lower back. Apart from this, it also helps in posture correction. It helps in maintaining a neutral spine for the body while you're sitting and standing, if this movement is performed on a day-to-day basis. Now the main question is, does plank help in burning fat? Yes. Plank does help in burning fat because it engages not just one muscle but it engages multiple muscles. Apart from that, the main benefit is improving the overall posture of your body and also helping you get that desired, most desirable tucked tummy.
If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, I request you guys to subscribe right now. Seriously, subscribe.
As there are a lot of plank movements out there, today we're going to focus on three of the most common plank movements: the elbow plank, the high plank, and the side plank. Place your hands in line with your shoulders and pull your body into a straight line. Look at a point in front of you such that your neck is in line with your spine and it is in a neutral position. Now you have to hold this position for a few seconds. Once you get comfortable, try to challenge yourself by staying in the plank position for as long as you can, without compromising your form and not forgetting to breathe. As you hold this position for a longer time, you're going to feel a lot of strain and stress in your abs. That's exactly what we want. Now for the beginners, once when you get tired, bring your knees slowly to the floor, gently touch them, get a little bit of rest, and bring them back up again and hold that tension. Now we are going to look at the elbow plank. So for that, you have to place your elbows flat on the mat and do not flare them out. Make them straight, hold that position, ensure that your head, your hip, and your legs are in a neutral position at all times. Do not slouch during this movement. Hold the tension throughout this movement. For the beginners, you can always bring your knees down, touch the ground and bring it back up again and continue holding this position. The next movement that we are going to look at is called the side plank. Place your elbows exactly below your shoulder and your other arm facing towards the sky or the ceiling. Make sure that these two hands are exactly in line with each other. Ensure that your hip and your feet and your shoulder are neutral with each other. Hold this position for as long as possible because this position is going to target your obliques. For the beginners, what you guys can do is, to reduce the stress and strain level, you all can bring one of your foot in front of the mat and hold this position and then bring it back to the normal position again. Here are some common mistakes to avoid while performing the plank. Do not bring your neck too down to the floor, or do not bring your neck all the way up. Your neck should always be in line with your spine. Another common mistake while doing the plank is rounding the back. Avoid rounding the back. Make sure that your back is always in a neutral position with your spine. Another common mistake that everybody does while performing the plank is arching your hips. Avoid arching the hips because it reduces the strain on the abs. Also, avoid dipping the hips all to the floor because again it reduces the strain on the abs. Make sure that your shoulder, your back, your hips and your feet are in one straight line at all times. Avoid spreading your feet far apart to get a better stability. Avoid making a small micro bend all at the knees also, because this reduces the stress and strain on your abs and thereby defeating the purpose. Finally, the most important thing not to do is holding your breath. Do not hold your breath while performing this isometric movement. Just like any other workout movement, you have to breathe in deeply and breathe out deeply. Ensure that you are inhaling and exhaling throughout the course of this movement. Now that we have come to our end of our workout, I'd like to thank everybody so much for tuning in to this program. And if you really like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you again with another video. Stay safe, stay fit.